एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं पाइथन स्टेटमेंट इंडेंटेशंस और कमेंट्स की। तो इसमें हम बात करेंगे कि पाइथन स्टेटमेंट्स क्या होती हैं, इंडेंटेशंस क्या होते हैं, कमेंट्स क्या होते हैं। तो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं पाइथन स्टेटमेंट के साथ। तो बेसिकली पाइथन स्टेटमेंट्स क्या होती हैं, ये एक इंस्ट्रक्शन होती है जो पाइथन इंटरप्रेटर को दी जाती हैं। Basically these are the instructions which Python interpreter can execute, and these are called statements. For that, for an practical example, first we have to open our PyCharm. For that, we're gonna click on PyCharm. Then there is a window which will look like this. Then we have already created our project with the name of PyCharm projects. We're gonna click on this, and now as you know, we have created hello.py file in the previous videos. So now we're gonna create another file for the clear understanding of this scenario. We're gonna divide every section with different files. So I'm gonna create new file with the name of Python statements. So it will be created now we're going to talk about what are Python statement practically. So suppose I have created let me just put name equal to Vineet. So this name equal to Vineet, it is called Python statement. And if I'm gonna assign a equal to 10, so this is called assignment statement. And these are the functionalities to which we name as statements or another thing to which Python interpreter execute. Basically Python interpreter execute all these statements when we ask him to execute, like when we use print functionality to print these statements. And we can talk more about, like, there are if statement, for statement, while statement, and there are many other kind of statement. So we're gonna look on to another statement which is multi-line statement. In multi-line statement, there will be the end of a statement which will be marked by a new line, but we can make a statement extend over multiple lines with the line continuation character, and the line continuation character is this one. This is the line continuation character. These are the number of line continuation which I have told you. So these are the line continuation characters, and we're gonna take an example what are multi-line statements. Suppose I'm gonna define variable functionality. So I'm gonna keep 1 plus 2 plus 3. Oops. So I'm gonna now I need to extend to another line, so I'm just gonna simply put, after plus, I'm just gonna simply put that line continuation. Then I'll be going into next line. Then I'll be printing 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus this one. Then again line continuation. Like 7 plus 8 plus 9. Now I'm gonna print this variable. So you know there are two types of ways from where you can print these statements, like from terminal scenario, like you can go into terminal and you can provide your directory in which directory you have saved this file, and you can simply run python space python statements.py and you can simply run your file. And there is another approach which you can do by clicking right onto your trackpad, and you can just simply run this command, run python statement. So as you can see, there is 45, there is no error. So you can do multi-line statement with this line continuation. Basically it is called explicit line continuation. Now I'm gonna talk about another approach in this multi-line statement. So basically line continuation is implied inside parenthesis. Like we can use this line continuation approach in this parenthesis, like I'm gonna use this parenthesis also, like I can use these curly braces also. So for these implementation of multi-line statements in brackets or in square brackets or in curly braces brackets, I'm gonna show you again a different example. Suppose I'm gonna take this example only, and I'm just gonna change the name of this example just to save the time. So I'm gonna print, suppose I'm gonna do variable 1, and I'll be printing it in brackets. So now simply I'm gonna again run my command with that same continuity. Oops, I didn't print it, so that's why it didn't show us anything. So I'm gonna just print variable 1. Okay, then after that I'm gonna just simply run this. As you can see, this 45 is for this one, this print one, and this 45 is for this one. So you can also print multi-line statements in curly braces, in square brackets, or in these brackets also. So now, so basically we have printed it with this parenthesis to do the line continuation, or and but there's another thing also. We can do it by simply using a square bracket functionality. And now we're gonna print this. Now you can see we have a whole scenario. We have the total sum of these multi-line statement in the square brackets. If I'm gonna change this into a curly braces, and again I'm gonna run this, so it will show me the result in the curly braces. So it is so this is the another approach which we can do for the multi-line statements. And there are also multi-line variable. We can assign values to the multiple variables in the same line. If you are getting confused, let me show you an example. What I am trying to say is basically if I am gonna assign name equal to Vineet, and I am gonna use semicolon, and I am gonna assign a equal to 10. So if now I want to run print name, print a, so it gonna run these two other functionality also, like it printed my name and it printed the value assigned to this variable a. So it is not giving any error. You can assign number of variables to the single line by just simply using semicolon. So this is all we gonna talk about statement in this tutorial only, and it is not a big topic. It is only having these much of things like what are multi-line statements, what are, how we can assign number of variables to a single line, or what are statement. Basically statements are the instruction which are given to Python interpreter to execute. So basically these are the only thing which we gonna discuss in Python statements. So in this video we will be discussing only the basics of what are Python statements. So in next video we will be discussing about what are Python indentation and what are Python comments. So for this video we gonna discuss this much only, and I'm gonna see you in next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.